friends. Today we will learn about one of the important pillars of Industry 4, and that is called robotics. It is also called autonomous systems. In this presentation, we will try to know about robotics, how are they used in Industry 4, and what are its applications. As you can see over the years, how robotics has been an important component in the Industry 4, and it has seen its importance from the year 2011 onwards. What are robotics? Robotics is the intersection of science, engineering, and technology that produces machines called robots that substitute for or replicate human actions. Pop culture has always been fascinated with robots. A robot is a machine, especially one programmable by a computer, is capable of carrying out a complex series of actions automatically. Robots can be guided by an external control device, or the control may be embedded within. Robotics technology influences every aspect of work and home. Robotics has a potential to positively transform lives and work practices, raise efficiency and safety levels, and also provide enhanced level of service. Robotics are an important piece of Industry 4 puzzle. Tomorrow's smart factories will depend on new types of machines such as collaborative and mobile devices that are interconnected. Artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and data analytics will also make industrial robots more reliable than ever. The goal of Industry 4 enabled robotics is zero downtime and maximum efficiency. As robots use more sensors and become more digitally connected, they will also become less susceptible to disruptions. And that's the reason in many industries today you find robotics displacing the men, especially where there's a high risk to human lives. Through a video, we will see how robotics have been playing an important role in the Industry 4.
Robots are machines designed to carry out specific, repetitious processes with minimal human intervention and a high degree of precision. Machines were invented to save labor and make work more efficient. The drawback of machinery is that it requires human operation, and humans have a high level of fallibility. Studies have shown the average American worker makes over 100 mistakes per year, which, multiplied by the total number of employees in a company, can add up to thousands or even tens of thousands of mistakes per annum. This, in turn, may cost the company millions in revenue. The problem is exacerbated because products manufactured, assembled, packaged, measured, etc. are often costly to replace when damaged. Should the machinery itself be damaged, costs multiply. There is inherent risk in operating any kind of machinery, not merely to the operator, but to the object upon which the machine is used. The unpredictable nature of human beings increases this risk. Sickness, inattention, insufficient or inadequate training, drug or alcohol use, incompetence, and other factors, such as an otherwise skilled worker operating new or unfamiliar equipment, can make the interaction between human and machine inefficient and, in some cases, dangerous. Robots have a wide range of benefits that include increased productivity and throughput, increased efficiency, increased speed, improved safety, and multi-level cost-effectiveness. Robots do not take sick days, and programmable automation means that the operation of a robot can be changed without time and money spent on training the operator in a new set of tasks. Robots also offer better manpower distribution, freeing up workers for application to higher-level tasks which robots cannot perform. What's more, autonomous robots can be used in any situation that requires a repetitious process. Pulleys, conveyor belts, automatic guided vehicles, 3D printers, vision systems, sensors, and packaging systems are but a few examples of autonomous robotics in action. Our technological landscape is changing. Industry 4.0 technologies are an industrial evolution that will help companies prioritize long-term business goals over low-risk short-term returns and succeed in today's smart manufacturing environment.
So we saw how robotics are playing an important advantageous position for the industries. We'll look at another video which explains about autonomous systems in Industry 4.
Machines replacing labour is a norm in the modern era, yet shortage of operator and operator cost upkeep results in increase of minimum wages. Inconsistency, inefficiency and unproductivity of human workers when it comes to repetitive delivery jobs. A risk to human health and safety, especially when handling heavy goods. If you need a safe, robust and cost-effective AGV to automate the in-house routine transportation, if you need a full AGV solution including integration with existing system and equipment to optimize the delivery process. If you need an AGV system that can fit into their existing system process with minimum infrastructure changes and costs. If you need a real-time monitoring, tracking and reporting for all delivery ensuring effectiveness and productivity. If you need comprehensive after-sales support and spare parts availability at the same time, DF Automation and Robotics is your solution. We always provide a full in-house transportation solution, not only supplying AGV, but also integrating AGV system with your existing infrastructure. We also offer user-friendly software and GUI, allowing the user to monitor, program and configure AGV easily. We emphasize the importance of after-sales service, local presence for best service.
So we saw in that how autonomous systems are playing an important role in the Industry 4. Let's look at another video which explains about autonomous systems here.
Robots. They're no longer a thing of dreams or some science fiction future. They're here, and they're driving a manufacturing revival that's creating jobs and making American factories stronger. Manufacturing today looks very different than it did 50, 20, or even 5 years ago. Shop floors are being transformed in what's being called the Fourth Industrial Revolution. In 2018, about 38,000 industrial robots were installed in U.S. manufacturing facilities, up 15% from the previous year, marking 10 straight years of growth in robotic usage. Robots offer precision, speed, and repeatability. They make production faster, more flexible, and more efficient. They can reduce waste and costs, and now they're more widely available to small manufacturers. Rapid research and development have given rise to a new generation of industrial robots. They're more easily programmable. They have intuitive user interfaces, and they're equipped with sensors that allow them to better navigate the shop floor. Even with small production volumes and high product mixes, these collaborative robots are quickly programmed for different tasks. They safely work side by side with human co-workers and assist with monotonous, unpleasant, or dangerous tasks, which further improves the manufacturing workplace experience. In manufacturing, the competition is global and it's fierce. To win, you need to constantly optimize your processes and always remain ready to adopt new growth-accelerating technologies. Robotics is no longer a thing of the future. It's here today, and it can help you grow your business. How do you get started? Contact your local Manufacturing Extension Partnership or MEP Center.
So what are the advantages and disadvantages of using robotics in Industry 4? They bring an increased efficiency, improved quality, improved working environment, increased profitability. It provides longer working hours, and there is a prestige attached to it because they talk about technology and the new modernization in the industries. There are definite disadvantages because it involves a lot of capital costs and you need an expertise to program them and do a setup of that. So we see that robotics have been playing an important role in the Industry 4. They have caused automation. They have been replacing manpower, which are at places, especially at places where there's a reputation involved, there is a risk to human lives. So Industry 4 has gained a lot from the important pillar which is from the robotics. Thank you.